Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this blue volcano. So the question of the day is, what is a supervolcano? Alright, let's run through the colors. Primary yellow, cad yellow, pearly red dark, quin red, burnt sienna, Van Dyke brown, cyan, quin blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black. Alright, today we're going to paint blue lava. So a supervolcano is a really large volcano, obviously. A really good example is Yellowstone, and it's actually 1,000 square miles across. So when it blows, it literally blows up a good quarter of that whole state, and the ash would fall on, 5 states around. So it would be a huge. It dwarfs any atomic explosion that's ever been seen or tested. So it'd literally be, I think they say it's 1,000 times, or at least 100 times worse than St. Helena in around Seattle, Washington. So it is a really quite powerful volcano. The question is, when's the next explosion, right? So there was 3 explosions. One was 2.1 million years ago, then I want to say 1 million years ago, and the last one was 600,000 years ago. So we're right on the cusp of in the next 300,000 years. I mean, obviously it seems very far out on a human scale, but that would just blow up and, probably cause another ice age, I would assume, because it'd have so much sulfur and volcanic ash in the sky will block out the sun. You probably have an ice age, I would say. So, there's a theory a meteor caused the ice age, but maybe it was actually a volcano. And that's my question of the day. All right, we just finished that volcano. Let's take a closer look. So here you have that really nice dark night sky going into that horizon line, which has the highlights. You have a little bit of lava in the background. I didn't really kind of make that orange per se. I kind of made it brown, left that in there. Got a nice weaving out of browns and reds and kind of a purplish rock with that kind of lava spilling out through the middle here. It is a little rough. I mean, you can definitely tell the brushstroke versus kind of some artists have like a really clean blend and it looks more like waves per se, but I've never seen a blue volcano, so I'm not sure how it's supposed to look. I kind of use the logic from blending water and a kind of a river to kind of get those feel blend of the paint, but again, painting those colors, which is more a cobalt blue, it's kind of this really bizarre looking colors. I really liked the skyline. It turned out really nice because it's just a little highlight, which is what you want, just a little bit coming in the back, but it pulls you into that back, and then you have this really nice kind of triangular shape going through the middle. I was thinking of originally just kind of taking the side on the right up. In the photo it goes straight up like this kind of. I kind of pared it back a little bit, but I kind of like the fact that this, you know, shows that it's volcano. It's going to have this really bizarre rock formations, which if you've ever seen volcanoes, they're really crazy. They just go straight up like it's some crazy angle you've never seen in your life. And you walk them, you're literally sometimes climbing with your hands up the rock. It's really amazing. So I wanted to capture that, and so I just left that in. I think that gives it a realistic look. I got the alternating kind of browns, reds, purples, gray in between on the rock to give it that feel of the rock. I think that's pretty good. I could have made it kind of chunkier and blockier, but overall, I mean, it's lava fill, so it's going to be kind of this liquid flow, and then it's going to be spiky if you've ever seen volcanic rock in person, which I have. But yeah, overall, I think it's a really nice painting. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.